In this project, we were tasked with designing and creating a circuit that would control the opening and closing of a toll booth. The toll booth begins to open when an open or close switch is pressed, and its motion stops when the arm reaches a limit switch. We first created a state transition graph and table to determine the appropriate input conditions that would allow the machine's state to advance. For example, when the toll booth is closed, only an input from the open switch would allow the gate to begin opening. After creating the transition table, we found the min terms that would allow a desirable output to be produced with certain inputs. Then, in multisim using AOI logic, we wired the inputs of the machine to a 2 flip-flop state machine so that the state would advance only when the proper input is obtained. Here, the toll booth starts in its closed state, begins to open after an input from the open switch, stops at the open limit, then begins to close again after an input from the closed switch. This project was a fun introduction to the functions of state machines, further advancing our knowledge of the memory capabilities and potential of flip-flops.